So cinematic sliders haven't always been my thing because it requires heavy gear, a lot of setup time, and usually I would just want a shot that's like 1 second long, so having to set everything up for that one shot just isn't worth it. But check this out, iFootage created something very unique. This is a 4-axis motion controlled system that fits right into your backpack. This is the iFootage Shark Slider Pico. It's ultralight, completely silent, and coming in under $200 US, it might just be the ultimate secret weapon for solo creators out there. So let's see what this thing can do.
MrBlack.
And hey, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way and also future tech. And if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button because that's what we do here, and hit that thumbs up button as well. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, iFootage, a company that I love because they have this monopod right here that is just brilliant. I've also looked at some other lights and other tripods. They did send this to me as well, and they're sponsoring this video so that I could take my time, test out all the features, and share my thoughts and experiences with you guys. And if you are a creator on the move, you know that weight is everything. You want to get creative and get those big cinematic shots, but you don't want the heavy gear. So that's why iFootage created this Shark Slider Pico. So let's first talk about the build. This thing is ridiculously compact. It measures just 400 millimeters end to end and gives you about 255 millimeters of travel length. And that might not seem like a lot, but when you put it with a pocket camera, or even if you're doing time lapses with an action camera, it does make a difference. But the main thing is for the quality, the weight class. The standard Pico weighs around 860 grams. That's literally lighter than your laptop. It's designed so you can hold it in one hand and set it up in seconds with the other hand with the one-touch release feet so you can get straight to shooting. Now, here's where the Shark Slider Pico goes from cool to absolutely incredible. The seamless DJI integration. If you shoot with the Pocket 3, 4, or 4P, or their action cameras like the Action 5 or 6, the slider is plug and play with a single USB-C type cable. And because the Pico is built in horizontal movement and 360-degree rotation, it coordinates with the dual axis system of the DJI Pocket to give you true, precise 4-axis motion. So it turns a tiny vlogging camera into a professional, programmable motion control rig. So it completely elevates ordinary footage into high-end cinematic visuals. But it's also not just for tiny cameras. The Pico Pro can handle a horizontal payload up to 1.5 kilograms, but it also gives you just under 1 kilogram vertically. That means it can handle mainstream mirrorless cameras alongside action cams and smartphones. But the best part is the outer rotor brushless motors are nearly silent. So if you're shooting an interview or recording a voiceover next to your slider, you'll never hear it. So watch, I'll turn this thing on, the microphone right here. Do you hear it? No, it's whisper quiet. To put your camera on, it does come with a plate that you can just easily slide on. It locks into place, and then you can even lock it more so. It's very easy to put on and remove just like that. On the bottom, you do have your standard quarter thread and your 3/8 thread, so you can put them on tripods. And if you want to do it vertically, you have a 3/8 thread on that side and this side as well. You'll see you got some controls and a screen on the front here, so you can see your battery status and different modes that you have, your A/B status, so you can easily play and pause it. You can run through the rotation. You can also adjust the speed right here with this wheel, and it's a clickable wheel, so you can even go through and adjust some other settings. But if you want to set it up even easier, you can use their iFootage app. This thing is so incredibly easy to use. You have up to 8 waypoints that you could set up. And that's not just like one side or the other. You can have it spinning around at certain spots. So if you really want to capture amazing time lapse somewhere, you can set that up and it can spin around different areas. You can just use the controllers on here to move your slider around in pan if you need to. You can even set different time lengths in between different waypoints. You can see the preview of it. You can loop it. You can have a delay on it. You can hold the time for a little bit on certain waypoints. You can even do some manual marking. You can even adjust the controller sensitivity, the slide, the pan, even this slide. You can turn that off if you didn't want to accidentally bump that. And thanks to a built-in NFC chip, you can just tap your phone on the slider so it actually just pair instantly. But also, if you're an Apple Watch user, it features 5 pro shooting modes built in. You have video recording, time-lapse, stop motion, plus panoramic and multi-point target tracking. Now, I don't actually have an Apple Watch, but that would be a really good use case for it. Now, as far as battery life, does have a massive 5,000 milliamp hour battery, gives you up to 7 hours of horizontal operation. So if your phone dies, or maybe the camera that you have on it is dying, you can actually plug in with the USB cable right here and keep it charged up as you go. And then when it's time to charge, it supports 30-watt charging, so you can top this thing up to 100% in about 2.5 hours. Now, real quick, let's talk about the differences between the standard Pico and the Pico Pro. The standard one is around $200 at the time that I'm recording this. Might be cheaper, maybe there's a discount, but do check out the link in the description for all of that stuff. But it has the aluminum tubes and digital screen. The Pico Pro upgrades to carbon fiber tubes, plus an LCD color screen, a higher payload, and crucially, 6-pin expansion contacts. And that expansion port is a really big deal because iFootage is releasing an AI vision tracking module and tilt gimbal. So getting the Pro is future-proofed and gives you even crazier robotic camera moves. So whether you're wanting to get some cool sliding shots while you talk, or some B-roll for whatever product you're looking at, or maybe some vertical stuff if you want some epic time lapses, or maybe you're doing some stop motion and you need that same exact camera movement constantly, you can program that and it'll just keep going on, and you can be moving different things around as you go. There's a lot of really cool things to love about it. I'm a huge fan of iFootage. Every product I've used of theirs has just been really, really solid. And my job here is not to get you to spend your money. I just am here to show you what the product is, show you what it does, and if you could see yourself using it, well, you know where to get it. It's quiet, compact, and that DJI Pocket integration is just a stroke of genius for solo creators. So again, check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. And that's it. This has been a blast to use. I took it on some trips, as you've seen in the footage, and it's just so easy to travel with. So I love it. If you want to see the other iFootage video I did one of this monopod. This monopod is just the best ever. So if you want to see that video or see some other cool creative things that you can do with your gear, I have some cool products on the screen. You can click one of those. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.